Hey guys, welcome to this secure folder tutorial on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So here I'll detail how to move photos to secure folder in Samsung. So if you have a Samsung phone and you want to move some sensitive photos or your personal photos away from the photo gallery to your secure folder, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if you don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to move photos to secure folder in Samsung, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the secure folder. Then you will be prompted to type in your password. So make sure you type in your secure folder lock password. Then click on these three dots. Then here, click on Add Files. Now once you selected Add Files, you see this pop up. Then click on Images. Now once you selected Images, this is going to open your photos on your Samsung phone gallery. You can just go ahead and click on Album. Once you selected Album, select where the photo you want to move to secure folder is located. So let's say here. Now, let's say I want to move all these photos to my secure folder on my Samsung phone. So just go ahead, select the photos you want to move to secure folder. Then you can select a maximum of 500 photos. Then after that, click on Done. Now, once you selected them, you see Move Files or Copy Them. Then here, if you want to copy these photos to your secure folder, just click on Copy. And if you want to move files to your secure folder, just go ahead and click on Move. So here, I'm just going to click on Move. And once you selected Move Files, you see Moving Files to secure folder. Then after you're going to see the total number of files you moved. Here I have 6 files moved. Then you can now go ahead, open your files on your secure folder, click on Image, and then you're going to see the image you moved to secure folder. So that is basically how to move photos to secure folder in Samsung. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.